What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to another 370z video. On this episode, we're doing something with the door handles. Let's go. When I got the car in 2019, the previous owner plasti dipped the door handles and emblems. I attempted to paint them last year without removing the door handles, but I failed miserably. So I just hyper dipped it, which is way better than plasti dip. Like all rubber-coated high contact surfaces, like door handles, it will peel, and that's why we're doing this. To remove the door handles, take out these two rubber grommets, use a piece of paper or business card to catch the two 10mm bolts inside the door panels. Use a Torx T25 for this one. Now you can pop out your door handles like so. Turn this lime green plastic and pop off this metal rod out. Pull out this white cylinder using two hands, and you can free this ball along with the metal string. Remove the most bottom screw of this metal piece and loosen the other and swing the metal plate to gain access to the lock-unlock button. Now we're wet sanding with 2000 grit sandpaper. I took the liberty to color match the front and rear Nissan emblems and the Z fender emblems as well. As usual, hitting them with primer filler before going with your paint of choice. And after 4 to 6 coats, we're hitting it with the clear coat. I honestly don't recommend this brand, but that's what I had. It doesn't look half bad for being a rush project for the weekend, but I would try to redo the clear coat and polish it in the future. So if you learned anything from this video, like removing door handles from a 370Z, leave a like and consider subscribing because I do DIYs, reviews, vlogs with my 370Z and the cars in my driveway. So I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.